Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can join the tournament events in Call of Duty Mobile. So click the tournament banner at the right of your screen. This is a tournament page. Currently I'm playing in Indonesia, my combat zone in Indonesia, and the tournament opens in 97 hours from now. As today 97 hours from today when I made this video. So this is the premium rewards that you can get from the tournament. For example, I will click the Battle Royale tournament. This is a Battle Royale page. There's some information in this page that you can click now before the tournament begin. For example, this is a reward detail. This is a milestone rewards or that you can get for playing more tournament, and this is the rank rewards. Also, the more you play, the more rewards that you can get. And also there is a task later, some tasks that you can accomplish. For now is 0 tasks, but later there's some tasks that you can accomplish, or you can work it out when the tournament begin. For my time when I made this video is 97 hours from now. As you can see, opening hours at the date, the times in Indonesia, and open every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. This is a time when you can play in tournament. And also currently in season 7 in Indonesia. This is a milestone reward. If you top up the game, you can get the premium rewards. This is a crate, for example, 400 credit points for you can get this premium milestone by top up the game. You can continue if the tournament begin in 97 hours from when I made this video. So thank you for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. Wait for the gameplay later. Enjoy the game.